Hi guys, this is Day16. Today I want to talk about some projects that I have done before. One of the projects that I want to introduce to you is that the interdisciplinary 3D printing project. This is my final year project and I spent about 3 months to research this project. As we all know, the technology of 3D printing is popular nowadays, and there are several steps to complete this progress. The first step is that you need to create a 3D printing model through some software such as SolidWorks, and it is useful because you could directly paint your models in this software, and it could automatically stretch some two-dimension pen pictures to transform them into the three-dimension models. So I learned some knowledge about SolidWorks and use it to build my bicycle models in the computer, and it is popular software because the customer could directly see the outcome of the models in the computer, and if you have somewhere want to revise it, you could use computers, use this software to revise it, and until you are satisfied with these computer models. So when you have three-dimension models in the computer, the next step you need to do is that transform this 3D printing model into two-dimension pictures, because it is easier to print two-dimension pictures than three-dimension models. So I use the Cura software. That this is a software that we could cut the 3D model into infinite two-dimension pictures. And the next step is that we could print every two-dimension pictures one by one, and then when these two-dimension models accumulate, you could acquire the whole 3D printing models. So the second step is to use some path algorithms to print these two-dimension pictures to fill out these pictures. And there are two styles of path algorithms that you can apply it to your models. The first is that ring offset algorithms. As you know that when home 3D printing models are not only we should emphasize on the quality, but also we should pay attention to the efficiency. That means if you want to improve the efficiency of the model, you might have to save your time when you plan these models. So it is significant to save the material inside the model. There are two objections that we want to acquire. The first one is to improve the quality of the model. So we are supposed to improve the outside material path. But meanwhile, we are also need to improve the efficiency of the printing model. So we need to save the material inside of the model so that we could save the printing time. So there are two goals. Actually, they are opposite. So it is useful to apply multi-objective algorithms into the 3D printing model. And one of the multivariate objective algorithms is genetic algorithms. It origins from the natural, and it applies some genes like match them and convert them into other genes, and so that we could get the most the better solutions, not the best solutions in our problems. And next, the fourth step is also significant because we are supposed to add some support to the 3D printing model to avoid of breaking through this model. And the last step is you could use computer and 3D printing machine, and you could connect with the two other